everyone, today I will be teaching you 50 words of our common day-to-day vocabularies. These 50 words are fruits and vegetables, and you can find them in supermarkets. Try to listen carefully so that you can be able to memorize the words better. Alright, let's begin. Fruits. 水果 Apple 苹果 Pear 梨 Lemon 柠檬 Strawberry 草莓 Pineapple 菠萝 Watermelon 西瓜 Banana 香蕉 Orange 橙 Kiwi 猕猴桃 Mango 芒果 Grapes 葡萄 Blueberry 蓝莓 Cherry 樱桃 Avocado 牛油果 Coconut 椰子 Peach 桃 Guava 番石榴 Papaya 木瓜 Dragon fruit 火龙果 Apricot 杏 Star fruit 杨桃 Waxberry 杨梅 Plum 李子 Jackfruit 菠萝蜜 Mulberry 桑葚 Vegetables 蔬菜 Tomato 番茄 Potato 土豆 Cabbage 卷心菜 Cauliflower 菜花 Pumpkin 南瓜 Pepper 胡椒 Spinach 菠菜 Beetroot 红菜头 Cucumber 黄瓜 Broccoli 西兰花 Sweet potato 甘薯 Mushroom 蘑菇 Carrot
萝卜，萝卜。
onion,
洋葱，洋葱。
chili,
辣椒，辣椒。
ginger,
生姜，生姜。
garlic,
大蒜，大蒜。
eggplant,
茄子，茄子。
Chinese cabbage,
白菜，白菜。
peas,
豌豆，豌豆。
sweet corn,
甜玉米，甜玉米。
coriander,
香菜，香菜。
萝卜，
丝瓜，丝瓜。
purple cabbage,
紫甘蓝，紫甘蓝。
mint.
薄荷，薄荷。
This is the end of our class. If you are interested in learning more with us, you can hit the like button, comment and subscribe. Goodbye.